Hey, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing Air, and this is about sewer line repair in Miami. The problem nobody wants because it's underground and it's serious. How do you know it's the sewer line and not just a drain? Watch for the telltale signs. Multiple fixtures backing up at the same time, gurgling toilets, a sewage smell in the yard, or a patch of grass that's suddenly greener than the rest. That last one usually means a leak of feeding is kind of feeding the soil. In Miami, sewer lines fail for specific reasons. Tree roots invading old clay pipe joints, decade-old cast iron corroding from the inside, and ground shifting in our sandy soil. The first thing we do is run a camera down the line, so we know exactly what we're dealing with and where. No guessing, no digging up your whole yard. Then we'll walk you through the real options. A spot repair, a trenchless fix, or a full replacement with honest pricing for each. We've repaired Miami sewer lines since 1990. Licensed Florida plumbing contractor. Our license is CFC 1433 145. If you think your sewer line is failing, give Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air a call and let's get a camera on it. Get it done. Thank you.